Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston. We're actually at 31 Lady Musgrave Road. And straight ahead is where Ripton Construction is going to be building another commercial center. Now Ripton built a commercial center at 56 to 58 Lady Musgrave Road. It was originally called the Nexus, but it was later renamed the Rogers Commercial Center. And that one is 4 stories. This one that we're looking at under construction is going to be 5 stories, but doesn't seem as if it's going to be as big as the other one. And this is straight ahead as Trafalgar 1 at the top of the screen. And beside it is 23 LMR, which is, there are 2 separate buildings, but one to the left of the screen, that's Trafalgar 1, a commercial center, recently opened. Now, at the bottom of the screen, that's the top of the AC Hotel. And straight ahead, that gray building is the Guardian Life building. And then that white and blue building to the right is the Cambridge, which is an apartment building. And at the bottom of the screen now, that is a medical building that's being built. Now, Ripton Construction is building that building. They are the contractor, but they're building it for a medical company. But the structure to the construction taking place to the left of the building is where Ripton will be building their second commercial complex. And Ripton actually has plans to build 3 commercial complex developments. The first one was 56 to 58 Lady Musgrave Road. The second one is located at the one that we just showed you, 31 Lady Musgrave Road. And then they plan to build another one on Trafalgar Road. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development and all the others taking place. But Lady Musgrave Road it's changing. It's definitely becoming the fastest growing business corridor in Kingston. And there you can see, that's the AC Hotel at the bottom of the screen. There are so many developments taking place on this road, it's unbelievable. Now the lots on this road seem to be huge. To the right, Burita is going to be building a development where the Eden Garden Hotel used to be. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.